Hey beauties, it's Riri. If you're new here, I'm an over 40 lover of all things beauty and I love showcasing indie brands here on my channel. I also really enjoy unboxings, and when I can mix unboxings and indie brands, it's even better. I just received my Eyescream Beauty box for the month of March. If you're unfamiliar with the Eyescream Beauty box, this is a $29.99 monthly beauty subscription where you receive 5 to 7 full-size items. I'll pop all the deets right here for you guys. This is one of my all-time favorite subscription boxes because they have a heavy focus on indie brands and they are a very makeup heavy subscription box. As always, brows and base are on, so hopefully we can dive in and test some products out. I hope everybody is well. Thank you in advance for being here. It is always packaged really well. I do like their new packaging and stuff as well. And we also get our informational card, of course. I'm not gonna look at that just yet. Right on top, I'm already excited. We have a little palette from Clarity Cosmetics. They are another indie brand that I love. This is the Clarity Cosmetics Stained Glass Pressed Pigment Palette. And I actually almost picked this up. Like I said, they're one of my favorite little indie brands. And oh my word, is this stunning. So, of course, we're gonna have to do a look. Next up is the Charmacy Milano, the Duo Lip Gloss. That sounds amazing. It says Duochrome Glitter Lip Gloss. Oh, I'm excited. All right. Next up, another palette. Even better. This is the Base Blue, the Artistic Eyeshadow Palette. I actually saw this like online a long time ago, and I've always been intrigued by it. We actually have gotten a couple of Base Blue products in like other subscription boxes. So far 2 palettes and then our lip gloss duo. Next up, there is a pigment, and I don't see anything at all, so we'll have to look at the card. I do like the packaging, and of course I am a sucker for green, and from what I'm seeing here, it's looking like it's green to purple. We'll definitely check that out. I'll swatch it for y'all. And then last up in our Eyescream Beauty box is the ZC Cosmetics, the Glitter Liquid Eyeshadow in the shade, I don't know. All right, let me prep my lids. I'll come back and we will talk pricing and deets, and then we'll create a look. All right, eyes are prepped. We're gonna talk some deets really quickly. First up, we had our Stained Glass Palette by Clarity Cosmetics, retail of $30. We are so happy to feature Clarity Cosmetics for the first time ever. This is a Black-owned, independent brand that hand makes all their products. That's right. All of these palettes are handcrafted by their small team just for all of you to try. Get ready to try the luxury and quality of a handcrafted eyeshadow. And I do have plenty of videos up with Clarity. They have phenomenal products, you guys. They do unique color stories very, very well, but then they also do neutrals very well too, so I love the brand as a whole. Next up, we had our Artistic Palette by Base Blue Cosmetics. This retails for $53. This palette is inspired by the famous art piece, The Girl with a Pearl Earring by Johannes Vermeer. This is a cool, neutral eyeshadow palette. It contains cool toned browns, grays, blue, yellow, etc. Create a subtle sunset look, a soft smoky eye, or mix in some of the other featured products from the box for a more colorful look. Next up is our dual-ended duochrome gloss and lipstick by Charmacy Global. This is $15. Why choose between a gloss and a lipstick when you can have both? One side delivers a highly pigmented matte liquid lipstick, while the other provides a glossy, multi-dimensional finish. We love a product that does it all. If you plan to wear the matte lipstick on its own, lip balm is highly recommended. Matte lipsticks can dry out your lips. Use them together or separately. Next up, we had our liquid eyeshadow by ZC Cosmetics for $20. This is a gorgeous liquid eyeshadow that can be used on its own for a quick on-the-go look, or it can complement some of the other shadows we've included in the box. Be sure to do any blending before it dries down. Blending after it dries down can result in some patchiness. Last up, we have our Duochrome Loose Pigment by Beauty Moon Cosmetics for $10. If you love bold, dramatic shifts, this loose pigment is about to become your new favorite. It's ultra pigmented, Ultra sparkly and ultra gorgeous. Loose pigments are incredibly versatile. You can wear them alone and mix them into glosses. Apply with a damp brush or a mixing medium for a high impact look. Use a sticky base to minimize fallout and enhance the shift. Mix with a clear gloss to create a custom duochrome lip liner. So that is all of our products for the month. I am going to today demo the gloss and the clarity palette. Of course, this is not going to match this very well, I do not think, but hey, we're just gonna roll with it, you guys. I will speed this part up. I'm very familiar with their formulation. It is intensely pigmented, but it also blends out well, it layers well, and it builds well. Just wait till you see the magic. Let's get you zoomed in. Let's do a look. that is a completed look using some of my beauty products from the Eyescream Beauty Box. I will get y'all a little bit closer. Of course, I'll pop off and do mascara and all that jazz. I think the eyeshadow palette is absolutely stunning. I love the look that I created. And of course, I always try with any type of palette to use something as either blush or bronzer or highlighter or something like that. I think it's absolutely stunning. These shifts are incredibly beautiful, really impactful. And then the lipstick and gloss combo, also really pretty. Now, do these go together? They do not. So when you see pictures online, I will most likely just do the eye look and then I'll do a different lip combo. This though feels incredibly comfortable. Even the matte by itself, it kind of has that little bit of like an oily slip kind of upon first application, and it doesn't dry down so quickly that it's like literally just sucking the life out of your lips. And then the gloss, to me, it's not so much of a multi-chrome, it just has like multi-dimensional shimmers in it. Very comfortable though. Not sticky, not gloopy or anything like that. I can kind of feel the glitter particles, but it's not uncomfortable at all. I think this with a beautiful kind of bronzy warm tone type of a look, oh my gosh, would that be stunning. Yeah, I am absolutely thrilled. 5 out of 5 yellow hearts. Again, they always come through in my opinion. I'm excited. I'm excited to see Clarity in their boxes for the first time too. They're a brand, like I said, that I really do love and enjoy. And they are a brand. I know this is about Eyescream Beauty Box, but Clarity Cosmetics is one of those brands, kind of like Nomad Cosmetics, that they really take to heart what we as the consumer have to say. And I won't go in full on details. I definitely have videos up and stuff like that using Clarity products. But they've kind of had some hits and misses, and they are very open to when they have a miss saying, we're sorry, let's fix this. And I love that. I think that is truly indicative of their character. And I love the brand as a whole, so I'm happy to see them in here. This look, you guys, is so pretty. I hope it's coming across on camera the way that it is in person. It looks gorgeous. I'm thrilled. What do you guys think? Do you guys get the Eyescream Beauty Box or the Eyescream Beauty Bag? That video is the one previous to this one. Thank you. Thank you guys so much for joining. Thank you for liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. Thank you, of course, to my beautiful channel members. I love you all. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.